Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can rotate view in your AutoCAD. So first of all, we have some kind of project running. So this is nothing big, just few sketches. And let's say we want to rotate the view. We have a couple of options in here. Mainly we have to focus on bottom right panel, where we have in the view we have a cube navigation bar. So this is a cube. You can make it appear or disappear, or navigation bar. This is the navigation bar as we are speaking about it right now. And if you don't have it on top right corner, you can easily utilize it on top corner. As you can see, we have this option for navigation and view cube, and also UCS icon. This is on the bottom. And if you want to rotate the object on the top right corner and the top right corner of your screen as well, we have this rotation option. And that's how easily you can rotate the view. Very easy, very self-explanatory. If you want to move it more like this, so use full navigation wheel. Once you click on full navigation wheel, it will bring up this one. Then we can go to walk option, which it helps you just zoom, out zoom many more. So you can go back or use this tool to zoom, rewind, pan, or ortho. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.